Hey guys, today let's make these super crispy and healthy snacks for kids. So this is very crispy. So without any maida, you can make these snacks. Your kids are gonna love it, and they are gonna ask you again and again. So for this, you have to take half cup of suji rava. Take this into a mixer jar and grind it to a fine powder. Now take this powder in a bowl. Add half cup of wheat flour to it. Now add crushed ajwain or carom seeds. Add some black sesame seeds to make these snacks even healthier. Now add salt as per taste. Here I am adding some pepper powder. Since I am making this for my kid, so pepper is very healthy for the kids instead of chili powder. Now add little bit of oil. Mix it with your hand. Now add the water little by little. You have to form like a medium soft dough. The dough should not be thick, should be of medium soft. So you have to knead the dough for 5 to 6 minutes so that our snacks will come out crispy. Now cover it with wet cotton cloth and rest it for at least 15 minutes. Now after 15 minutes our dough will get hard. You have to knead the dough again for 4 to 5 minutes. Now divide the dough into equal parts. Now sprinkle some dry flour and make a thin chapati. It should be very thin. So now likewise you have to make 2 to 3 chapatis. Now place one chapati on this, apply some oil and sprinkle some dry flour. Again place one more chapati, apply oil, and sprinkle some flour. So you have to repeat this process for all the 3 chapatis. Now roll it again. Again roll it into a thin chapati. Now take any Pepsi or cool drink lid. Here I have taken Sprite lid. You can even take any medicine lid. Wash it properly and take it. Now cut into the moon shapes as shown in the video. You can easily cut it. So likewise you have to make all these snacks. Now heat the oil on medium flame. Once the oil is heated, you have to add this moon snacks and fry them on low to medium flame until it becomes golden brown and crispy. Sprinkle some amchur powder or dry mango powder. If you don't have amchur powder, you can even add chaat masala, and enjoy. If you like the video.